A pink light flashes across the sky. From it descends Leah, the angel with long pink hair and her favorite pink bikini, smiling brightly as she lands by the sea. I heard Earth is beautiful, she says, but a little lonely. I'm here to bring more smiles. As she steps into the waves, an orange cat appears. Hey, angel lady, are you lost? The cat meows. Leah kneels down and smiles. No, I'm just looking for happiness. The cat rolls its eyes. Catch me a fish, then I'll smile for you. Leah waves her hand splash. A glowing fish jumps from the sea. The cat gaps. Okay, that's a big smile. Leah laughs. Mission 1 complete.